So everyone knows what is 10 square. 10 square is same as 100. Similarly, 10 cube is same as 1000. Means there are 3 zeros. Similarly, 2 square is same as 2 to the 4, and then 2 cube is same as 8. Okay, this is called, you can say, exponent, okay, or you can say power. So is same as log of, and this base will come over here, and then over this 100 will come over here. How to remember this? So those who have power means to have different seats means different. Okay, those who are sitting at their head, then it will go down. Means what? This 10 will go down, and then 100 will be as it is. Similarly, how to write over here? Those who have power over here have different seats. Means 2 is equals to log of who are sitting above their head. Means 2. Okay, will go down over here, and then this 4 will come. Okay. So how to read this? Okay, this is log of 100 to the base 10 is 2, and log of 4 to the base 2 is 2. Okay, so by definition what we can do is, if a raised to x equals to, says for example, m, okay, then this power, okay, have different, this power will come x over here. Okay, those who are sitting above their head will go down, so a over here, and this m will be as it is. Okay, so how to remember this? Those power have different seats means different. Okay, those who are sitting above their head will go down, means a will be down, and then this m is it is. Okay, be careful over here. Here d is, okay, here m should be strictly greater than 0, as well as a should be strictly greater than 0, as well as a should not be equals to 1. Okay, this condition I will speak later on why a is not equals to 1. Okay, let's see by some example. Say for example, 8 raised to 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so this let's convert in terms of log. So therefore this 0 means those who have power have different seat is equals to log of those who are sitting above their head will go down, means 8 will be over here, and then log 1. Okay, so therefore log of 1 to the base of anything is 0, or you can consider 3 raised to 0 is always 1. Okay, similarly 0 is equals to log of this 3 will go down 1 over here. Log 1 to the base 3 is 0. Log 1 to the base 8 also 0. Okay, so log of 1 to the base anything, okay, is always 0.